Sorry for the tight squeeze. Tell the commander her ace is in the hole.
Hey, check it out. No way. A Spartan?
For real. You better not be.
Oh man, he's here. We're gonna be
Where
all
did you
right.
find him?
Napping, out back.
I'll bet. It's good to see you, Chief.
Likewise, ma'am.
Let's get you up to speed. The Prophet of Truth's ships breached the lunar perimeter, smashed what was left of the home fleet. Terrestrial casualties from the subsequent bombardment were extreme. Truth could have landed anywhere, but he committed all his forces here, East Africa, the ruins of New Mombasa. Then they started digging.
What about Halo?
We stopped it, but only temporarily. Now the Prophet of Truth is looking for something called the Ark, where he'll be able to fire all the Halo rings. If he succeeds, humanity, the Covenant, every sentient being in the galaxy.
The rings will kill us all.
Ma'am, I have Lord Hood.
Patch him through.
Good news, Commander Keyes?
Good as it gets, sir.
So I see. What's your status, son?
Green, sir.
Glad to hear it. Commander's come up with a good plan, but without you, I wasn't sure we could pull it off.
Truth's ships are clustered above the excavation site, and his infantry has deployed anti-aircraft batteries around the perimeter. But if we neutralize one of the batteries, punch a hole in Truth's defenses...
I'll initiate a low-level strike. Hit him right where it hurts. I only have a handful of ships, Master Chief. It's a big risk, but I'm confident.
Hell, not again.
Emergency generators, now!
Shielding failed. They're down and charging.
As soon as they're up, re-establish contact with Lord Hood. Let him know...
All of you vermin, cowering in the dirt, thinking, what, I wonder, that you might escape the coming fire? No, your world will burn until its surface is but glass, and not even your demon will live to creep, blackened from its hole to mar the reflection of our passage, the culmination of our journey. For your destruction is the will of the gods, and I am their instrument.
Cocky bastard just loves to run his mouth.
Does he usually mention me?
Give the order, we're closing shop.
Ma'am,
We're about to get hit.
all personnel.
The wounded.
Defense Code Alpha
We're
1,
getting all of
prepare
them
for
out.
Immediate
I'll
evacuation.
have to carry him myself.
Ma'am, squad leaders are requesting a rally point. Where should they go?
To war.
We just lost the perimeter cannon.
Motion trackers?
They're down or we're not receiving. Can't tell.
No! Careful! Any of our birds squawking?
No, man. Wait, Overwatch has contacts. Phantom's closing on our position.
Any birds?
Come on, sir. I'll show you the way.
Bring them in.
Base was built for some 20th century war. It's full of old tech, like these door controls. Hey, what's the word?
Point of entry, best assessment.
Hangar sergeant.
We're with you, Chief. Yeah, get some. Squad guard in the hangar's real short-handed, Chief.
Chief? Good. This channel is secure. My fire teams are spread thin. We can't hold out forever. I need that hangar cleared for evac ASAP. Can you throw it back?
Hey, open up!
Password, please.
You gotta be kidding me. What password?
The password so we don't open the door for brutes.
Do I sound like a brute to you?
Well, you could be held prisoner by brutes.
If I was held prisoner by brutes and knew the password, then the brutes could just force me to tell you the password and you'd open the door for them.
Okay, well now I'm definitely not gonna open the door.
Oh, we need ammo!
Well, why don't you go ask your brute buddies then?
Oh!
I think it's all clear.
They're on us!
Wipe those bastards off the deck! Pelicans can't launch until the hangar's clear! Here's the big gun!
Hey, you hear that?
Yeah, and I don't like it.
Attention. Hostiles reported outside the barracks.
Lead the way!
Barracks are under attack. All available combat teams respond. Anyone in the barracks, I need a sit rep. Now.
Sir, this way!
Look! Coming out of the vents!
Line them up! Line them up!
Drone! A whole swarm! Take them down! Short control burst!
If I try to hook up a timer, it might go off all by itself.
Johnson. You might want to put that out. Chief, have a look. A little going-away gift for the Covenant. We've linked it to smaller charges throughout the base. Johnson, soon as the evacuation is complete, start the timer.
Understood.
Good luck, everyone. See you on the last Pelican out.
Follow me, Chief.
on my way! The prophets demand your death, demon! Attack!
You have been called upon to serve.
Half-wit insects. The prophets use you like they use me. Reject their lives. Rebel, or all your hides will perish. Spartan, the brutes have taken your soldiers. As prisoners or meat for their bellies, I do not know. In case some yet live, let us be careful what we shoot. You hear the sound of battle? You should not have killed my brother!
Chief, good to see you. They're attacking! There he goes!
Everyone on there, cover the chief! Grab a weapon!
We did all we could. Let us move the survivors up to the hangar. There is a lift outside.
Commander, we lost the ops center. Brutes attacked in force. Couldn't hold them off. Falling back to the hangar. But don't wait for us.
What should I do, ma'am?
Hold position. I'm not leaving without him.
Ma'am, I've got movement above envelope. Brutes. They've got jump pads.
They're going after the thrusters. Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Hey!
I'll cover you. Brutes, in the ops center. They disarmed the bomb. Sorry, Commander, there were too many. Even for me.
Chief, get back to the ops center. Kill those brutes. Rearm the bomb. I've got to get these men out of here. But I'll radio with another exit. Good luck.
You will be the protectors of Earth and all her colonies.
Command center. Have you discovered how they plan to stop me? Not as yet, noble puppet. Find me what I need to know, or your place on the path is forfeit. Tell me you understand. Yes, Holy One. It shall be done. Have the drones scour these machines. Find out what these heathens know about the Ark. Don't let it get away. Hold it there.
That did it, Chief. Bomb's armed.
We got your exit. A service elevator in the hangar. Head downstairs, cut through the cage.
There will be a great deal of hardship on the road ahead. You will become the best we can make you. This place will become your home. This place will become your tomb.